2009 GMC Acadia Oil Change. Alright, these are all the tools and everything you're going to need to do the oil change on 2009 GMC Acadia. You get a 15mm socket for the drain plug rule. This is just my drain plug so I don't lose it. Drain plug tool so I don't lose it. Torque wrench to put it back on. You'll need some kind of oil filter removal tool depending on the location of it. One is easier than the others usually. I prefer this, just depends where it's at. Need your oil filter, 5W30 oil, 5.5 quarts. Always have a little extra. Always have a brake parts cleaner. Need a funnel, crush washer, and a drain pan. Tight the drain plug is. Not bad. So this one actually does not need a crush washer. It's got a built-in rubber piece on it. Clean it up and get it back in there. Off around the drain plug threads. Make sure there ain't nothing that'll. And always start your drain plug by hand. Alright, right down there is your oil filter. Alright, 2009 GMC Acadia. Let's do the oil reset. So we are in the run position. The car is off. We're going to come over here. Oh, this vehicle information button right here. Oil life remaining 0%. Then we're going to hit the check mark right here beside it. And we're going to hold it. And it should, yep, 100% oil life remaining. Reset. Not really. T25. This one, just get you a long extension and go right down the middle there. Makes it a lot easier. Sensor back on. Clips in place, good.